Hello everybody, my name is Ismael Campos and I want to talk about my city. My city is Bogota. It's the capital of Colombia, and we can find many places where you can grow your family. And in the city we can find recreative parks like this one. This is my son. We have a Monserrate. As you can see, we can have a sign of the city. Everything that you can see behind of me is the city Bogota. Also, we have many malls. This is Central, Plaza Central. We have hard traffic every day, all the time. We can see this is around 12 o'clock. This is our transport. This mass transport. This is Transmilenio. As you can see, there's a biggest bus. Bogota has many factories. In this street you can see all these blocks are factories. This one is really pink. This one is a factory of milk. Behind this we can find Postobon. So the economy in Bogota, you can find it everywhere in this country. If you like the flowers, you can go to the Garden Botanic. And you can enjoy many things. The food is different. You can find anything that you want. You can find hamburger, like this one is pika. You can drink anything because Bogota has many people from another side or another citizen, and here you can find people from Russian and USA, China, French, I don't know, all the people that you want to find. I want to say that you can find another places like Golden Museum and the Water Museum, and you can find many hotels. It's important to say that Bogota has the biggest building, I think, of Colombia. And I don't know. I would like to say that if you come here, you can enjoy many things, and I think so. Yeah, that you will like what you see. I invite you to come here and enjoy the city. Thank you. Have a good night.